Hello, guys, welcome to this tutorial. So let's get started with Xgen, but before starting with Xgen, we will discuss the important things while working with Xgen, and remember to make and set the project folder before using Xgen. Which is the most important thing before using Xgen? This is because where you make the folder, it will generate some attributes and maps that are used by Xgen to calculate the output. Now I just made cube to show you what I mean. You don't have to make this. And make Xgen description with this cube. Let me go to the project folder. As you see, it automatically generates Xgen folder in the project folder. If you want to take this file to another PC, you have to copy this folder too. The second one is mesh topology. Let me create a default sphere here. And for a second sphere, I make a cube here. I just put smooth to this cube to add division and roundness. As you see, both spheres have different topology. The default sphere has many triangles, but another sphere has all quad mesh and better topology. Let me explain to you. As you see, this sphere has many triangles merging at the same place, which can create problems. But this sphere has better topology as compared to the other one. So this sphere is not good for Xgen purpose. This one is good. The third one is the density of mesh. Make sure you have enough polyfaces to support Xgen. For example, this is the very low poly, which does not give a good result when working with Xgen. This one has a good density of poly to support Xgen. But as you see, this one is very dense, which is overkill for Xgen and makes scene heavy. So make sure you have a good density of mesh. The fourth one is to make sure that your model is above the grid. And always remember to work on a real-world scale. So first we have to set Maya units. Just go to Maya's preferences and go to settings, and change working units to centimeters. Because Xgen attributes work according to the centimeters. Now suppose this sphere is the real face. I just select distance tool. As you may know that the real face of human is 18 to 20 centimeters. I just scale this sphere according to the distance tool. So make sure to always work on a real scale in Maya. The fifth one is that you does not have a garbage node or transformation value into the mesh. Make sure you have 0 all value here, and also delete the history here. So just go to edit, then delete by history. Now go to modify, click on freeze transformation to 0 out all values. Also, remember to clean namespace editor if you import something to Maya. To find it, just go to Windows, then General Editor, then Namespace Editor. Right now it empty. To show you, I just import something. As you see, I imported eyes to the scene, and I also get something in the namespace editor. So to delete it, click on delete to remove it, and click on merge with the parent. So the sixth thing is UV. Make sure you have good UV of your model to utilize the full UV space. So I just go to UV, then go to automatic unwrapping. Do not put UV here, because you have to keep UV in this quadrant because Xgen does not support UDIM till now. Also, keep in mind that you must utilize the full UV space to get the highest utilization of textures, which we are going to make for Xgen. The seventh one is naming convention. Make sure you give a proper and unique name to all model in your scene. For example, this sphere has the same name as they are under different groups. So make sure to give a unique name to all objects, and I usually add suffixes to the objects to get easily understandable by me and the software. So these are the major things to remember when working with Xgen.